G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. This one's a special one. You'll recall a couple of weeks back we put up a competition to celebrate our 5,000 subscribers, Brad and I. And our winner was young Liam Wellington, a local bloke. And he wanted to go out with Brad and get onto his first snapper. And holy heck did he do it. Hold it up Liam, show us what you got. That's his first ever snapper.
No, this was the first.
And his dad Andrew.
That was the second.
That's his first one, and they got a spotty as well. So well done, mate. Congrats on winning the competition. Hope you had fun out with the old fella.
Yeah, it was real fun.
Lots of swearing, was there?
Yeah. Well, not really.
Anyway, here it is. Let's play it all back. Here's the footage from the session and from the competition. Well done, mate. Excellent. Good on you, mate.
Good day.
Thanks, mate.
See you next episode. Bye for now.
Here we go, Liam's on his first fish.
Oh, buddy.
The old real keen boat.
You on too?
Oh, wait, no. Good on you, mate.
You on one too?
Yeah, mate.
What am I doing?
Rocky, I think. Just get you to get that net out, mate. On the front there. Now, mate, floating off the bottom, so just enjoy up. All right, mate, we've got the colour coming up now. It's nice. Take your turn.
On his first fish.
Now. There, one tip up. Don't let winding. Undo your bail arm. Bloody beauty.
Hui! Liam, good work, mate. There is fish down there.
It's been a touch slow there, folks, but we got there.
He shit himself in his...
Well done, mate. Good start.
Well done, buddy.
We'll get rid of that. Grab him. Like that, so just put your hand under there, one hand on there. If he mucks up, you can carry some, just get rid of him, just drop him.
Oh, mate. Move back a little bit if you can.
Oh, you wait for him to slap
I
in
can
the
get
face.
on video. Well done.
Okay. No pressure on him if you lost him. No, you still got him. Had that pressure on him, mate. You're on.
Oh, spot! Is it the same one?
Found the spot. Look at these two. When you get him here, that's enough, mate. No more whining for you. Good for you. That's a spot. Come up, come up, come up. Okay, you come over the top of him, you go under. I'm going to need a gap for that, mate. Get you out over the back there, mate.
Back again.
Righto, slow him up.
Oh, you fuck.
I better jerk some things around the boat. Now you're going to catch him again. Lift your rod tip.
Hold him up.
I'm on here too. Alright, here you go, mate. Get on the white rod. Put that one down. Liam fish is alright, isn't he? No more wine. Rod tips now. There you go, pal. You won't see much of that, folks. Look at that.
A decent one?
Yeah, he's a good spotty, but he's
massive.
also,
Oh, the teeth.
you never catch him unless you got wire.
Oh, really?
Okay, what's your feet? See how I'm just winding down, pulling up. See how when he just pulls, I just let him go a touch. He's just there anyway. Sorry to take the rod off your mate, but I didn't know what was going on. I thought we're on the bottom or something.
Is it another snap?
It's another snapper.
Go in, let's just try and get the head in.
So that was a triple hookup, folks, on snapper.
Massive one.
You've gone and done it again, Liam.
Jeez, mate, you're on fire. I'm just going to go a little bit more random in my fish.
That's hilarious. I just found it really funny how he caught green, alright.
Oh, that. Oh.
Bigger than the other one, buddy.
There's a little going on.
It's a feed.
Right,
That was a good 5 minutes of fun.
can you blokes just clean all your crap up now, please? Oh.
Scales.
Okay, mate, you ready? Sure. You can get if you put your fingers up where mine are, nothing will hurt you. So give a good squeeze in there. A good squeeze. Don't let him go that way.
I was just going to sit here and hold this for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Just get that first well. We're just reeling it back in.
Oh, you're on fire.
Back tuna. Go, mate. Going well.
It's just like it.
What are you doing, Liam? Come
Yes,
on.
yeah, you maybe got to go up.
You lost him, bud. He's gone. Spewing. That was a big one. Oh well. You can't help that.
There we go, another one. See what happened here. Probably the same one.
Get out of there. Oh no. We're all getting hosed here. Fuck. Oh, pulled out. Yeah, you're going to have to come under me, mate. Under me. That's it. Mac tuna, I think.
Another one.
Maybe. Surely you can see him soon. He's here somewhere.
We'll get two.
There he is.
We'll get two rods in.
Give your foot, Bullfed. Yeah, you prick.
Coming over. You're right, you just go behind me, mate. Go behind me. Never any guessing what they are when you see that rod tip do that. Yeah, thanks, mate.
Told you what you could do.
Get your money's worth. Come back this time too, you mate.
Just gonna measure the light. Is it heavy?
Pick it up and find out. Oh, they're jerks. Look how fat the little bastard is. That is one thick mac tuna.
Almost.
Success or what? You're smiling?
Only just.
Only just?
You should have seen the three-way hookup. Some idiot.
Was it chaos?
Body.
That's what you want. That's what you want. More importantly, how'd Liam go?
He got the first one.
There we go.
There's fish out of us all.
So you got a snapper?
You got the biggest one.
Excellent. Mission accomplished. Is that the best competition you've ever entered? Holy jeez, you did all right too. Oh wow, excellent. Please tell me you got footage.
We think
Yeah, excellent. All right,
maybe
excellent.
swearing.
There might be a lot of conversation.
It was chaotic at one stage.
Was it? Good bit there.
Went three of us. He had a spotty on going
Yeah.
back and like this.
Yeah.
He had a snapper on out the back. And
Yeah.
other white rods.
In close or all out towers?
Basically had the eyelet in the water. It was that hooked up, and Liam's looking at it going, "What do I do there?"